Which iconic character shaped your career goals as a young girl? Was it Anne Hathaway in Devil Wears Prada? Yeah, was it Reese Witherspoon conquering the courtroom in Legally Blonde? Or perhaps it was Sarah Jessica Parker with her column Sex and the City? But wait a minute, where were our Bollywood career role models while we were growing up? Let's look at the big hits first. In the 50s, we had Radha, who was forced to work in the fields after her husband got injured. Her iconic stature in the film comes at the cost of a great personal sacrifice. She has to shoot her own wayward son at the end. Forward to the 70s, Raj Kapoor in Mera Naam Joker has 3 love interests. The first one is a teacher, one of the few careers allowed to women, because presumably she would give up her job once she was married. The second one is a circus performer, an outsider who doesn't want to be married. The third was a street performer whose ambitions are painted in a negative light because she uses people to get what she wants. And of course, Hema Malini's Basanti works a conventionally male job of a tangewali in Sholay. But that's just trope for her to find her dream man, who she can then get married to and have her happily ever after. But speaking of Hema Malini, remember her in Satya Pe Satta? She plays a nurse? But then she also ends up nursing and mothering the hero and his 6 uncouth brothers. That's a ton of unpaid labor under the guise of wifely duties. And then there were the courtesans who transitioned into bar dancers. But this career was not seen in a positive light. These sensuous, sometimes villainous women were questioned on their morality. They were humiliated or killed off. Helen, you deserved better. Then there were films like Abhiman, Abhinetri and even Khamoshi that showed women on a successful career path. But these were plot points, not character points. These careers were shown because they were integral to the woman's relationship with the man and his storyline. In Abhiman, Jaya Bachchan's career flourishes as a singer, but Amitabh Bachchan's fragile ego is unable to handle it. Sridevi in Mr. India is a strong, independent journalist who's living on her own. But ultimately, even she needs Anil Kapoor to save her when she gets into trouble while working. A year later, Rekha comes back from the dead in Khoon Bhari Mang and becomes a model. But to get revenge, again, it's a plot point, not a character point. Of course, to suit the naysayers, we have to say hashtag not all films. There are some female characters who have their identity while pursuing what they want to pursue. Like Smita Patil's character Bindu in Manthan, where she leads the women of her village to independence. But unfortunately, ऐसे फिल्मों को आर्ट फिल्म करके साइड कर दिया जाता है. Right up to the late 90s and even early 2000s, Bollywood did not really have a holistic portrayal of working women. Of course, there were women who were pursuing their education, but there were many who were also dropping out to get married. And on the other hand, you had the vamps who were sassy, educated and independent. But they were also shown as meddlesome femme fatales who were out to soil the idea of womanhood. Move over, vamps. The real home wrecker is a woman with a career. Like Priyanka Chopra in Aitraz or Sridevi in Ladla. In that movie, Sridevi is ambitious and scheming who's put in her place with a resounding slap. After which, she quits her job and becomes a housewife. In the last 2 decades, however, there have been a number of working women characters who have been shown in an unproblematic light. For example, Romi in Lakshya, Aisha in Wake Up Sid, Shruti Kakkar in Band Baja Barat, Sulu in Tumhari Sulu, Piku in Piku and several others. They are shown as having unapologetic ambitions and well fleshed out relationships with their work, which are independent of their relationships with the male character. However, we still have the token job holders, like Naina in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Technically, she's the lead and the narrator, but we never see her doing her job of a doctor. In contrast, you have Ranveer's character Bunny, who has whole montages, song sequences where he's showing off his passion and his work and ambition. Where are the montages of working women? Now let's get to the present, where we have the token empowered women. Think of Tanu and Tanued's Manu, Bitti in Bareli Ki Barfi, or even Rumi in Man Marsiya. While they offer us some memorable female character leads, their career is always left out of the liberation equation. Clearly, Bollywood has come a long way in portraying women and their careers, but we still have a long way to go. Women literally carry economies on their backs with all the paid and unpaid labor that they do. To then see their liberation through the male tokenist gaze is काफी disappointing. It's time that Bollywood updated its relationship with working women from it's complicated to committed to a positive representation on real life that you were encouraged and empowered in real life. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to Cool Kanya and comment below to let us know what pop culture related issue should we talk about next. Until then, raise your power.